Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change keyboard language shortcuts keys in Windows 10. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here you can see on your right side bottom, this is my Windows keyboard language. I have two language here. I can switch by manually like this. I have to click on this language icon and I can switch like this. If you want to switch with shortcuts key, so there is a one shortcuts which is you have to just enter window and space. Okay, when you hit the window key and space, then you can just switch your language just tapping space button only. You have to hold the window key and just tap on space button, then all language will be changed. Okay, so you can change like this. Okay, so if you want to change the shortcuts key for every language, you can change. So I will show you how you can show you. Okay, so I will show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video. So first tap on your start icon, go to the settings. Okay, and here you can see the device option, just click on it, and now under the device option you will see the lots of option like this. So just click on typing. In typing you will see the typing. There you can see there is a lot of option you can manage as per your requirement. Now just scroll down and go to the advanced keyboard settings, and here by default is a use language list, and here you can see the input language hotkey. Just click on it, and here you will see your your all language. I have only two language in my keyboard, so just here you can see there is a no any shortcuts key where both are none. You can apply the shortcuts key here. Just click on it and go to the change key sequence. So I just select the English India, and now just click enable key sequence. So there is a three option: control and plus, left control and shift. So I think control is a very simple. Now you have to also set the plus number, so you can set the 1 or 2. So for this language I have to enter control and 1. Okay, so just click on OK. After that, if I open the notepad here, okay, so if I click on it, so I have only two languages, India, both are English, but India and United Kingdom, so different will be uh, no, different will be not show here because both are English language. But I will show you, but but in this video you have to just click on OK. Okay, after OK, this shortcut skill will be apply, and now you can select any other language and apply the shortcuts key. And whenever you want to typing in notepad or any other, if you want to change your language, you can just hit this shortcut key. So in my case for English India, I have control and A, so I just hit the I have to just hit the control and 1, then my language will be changed. Okay, so just apply, it will be applied to your keyboard. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.